Hello everyone. So it's our admin login panel. You can type your username and password here, and then you can log into admin login panel. So in the admin login panel, you will see certain features here. It's a dashboard. It will contain your details. Then it's a login student panel, online students. So here you will see the students which are actually giving any exams. It will show here. Then it's a teacher panel. Here you can add certain teachers. You can add any teachers and you can manage here, edit or detail a profile of a teacher. A teacher will be able to access certain students result and will be able to see all the papers. You can view the details of any teacher here. Then it's a student section. In a student, you can see all the students segregated in certain class. You can see all the students here. It will show list of all the students. You can add any student here, and then you can manage, view, edit or delete any profile of a student. You can see result of any student here at any time. Then there's the online test section. So that is the one of our unique features that we provide a online test portal in which you can create your own paper. So in create your own paper, you have three options: normal paper, advanced paper, and a quick generation. In quick generation, you see the old version of JEE Main 90 questions and the new version of JEE Main 75 question. You just type a name, which name you want to give your paper, and then you can create your paper. It contains the NEET exams also for 180 questions. Then you can see a normal paper generation in which you can choose your paper name, number of questions, time, and the subjects, physics, chemistry, and math, whichever you want to give. You can choose either only one subjects or you can choose multiple subject also. In that you can choose number of questions, positive marks, negative marking, and then you can create a paper. After creating a profile of a paper, you will see simple created paper or advanced created paper. So let's say I've created a simple paper. So all the papers will be shown here. You can upload your paper, you can upload answers, you can update the results also. Suppose you have changed answer key of certain questions, so you can update the result for that particular answer key also. You can view the syllabus here, syllabus and instruction for the paper. You can preview a paper here. So in the preview section, suppose this shows like question not available, solution not available, which means you haven't even uploaded the paper details. So let's upload a paper detail. So in upload paper, you will get to upload the questions and the solution. So choose file, choose any number of questions, how much you have already allotted for the papers. So choose questions, then open and upload. So open those and then upload. So in upload section, suppose there are 20 questions, it will show 20 files uploaded, and in the solution it is like 30 questions are uploaded. Then you can come back there and you can view the paper. So in previous section, you will see the paper has been created. So it will show like the question is this one, then the answer and the solution. So you can preview your paper whether all the questions are correct with the correct answer or not. You can cross check all the answers. So by that you can create your own paper with any sort of question, whether with the soft copy or with any book. So that's the key and unique feature of ours. Then there is an online test series. So whatever test series you have subscribed, you will get all the papers of those test series here. Then that's a result section in which you can see all the papers you have published or the students are attending those papers. You will see the total number of students appeared for the test and you can see the tests of those students. So in result section, you will see how many students have given that result and you can see the result of any particular students. So that is our unique part, the key feature of ours, the result. So in result, you see total score, physics, chemistry, and biology. You see the time of submission of that student, and there is an in-depth analysis, which is comparatively to get an idea where you need to work more. So that's a bar chart in which with the cursor you can get total correct answers are 119, then incorrect are 59, then 16 unattempted. With the graph also you can see with the depth itself, the green depth shows correct and red depth incorrect. So it is a depth analysis for negative marks, that how much negative you have done. So this red zone represents the negative. In overall paper, this was like this much of negative you have done. To get a more accurate idea. We calculate the efficiency, student's efficiency, how he is managing time for a particular subject, and how is its negative marking efficiency towards that subject. So you see the overall negative efficiency is 87, which is quite good. That means you are not very losing your marks towards negative marking. So in subject wise, you can say then that's a time wise efficiency, means whether you are managing all the subject in proper time or not. So for the biology, that's a very good one, but for physics is a bit lag. So overall you see that there's a bit of lag in time management. Then the most comparative and self-analyzing part is our time chart. So in this you can see the full paper and time allotted line for each questions. So these above bar shows like in which questions you have given uh, more time. So subject wise also you can see for the physics, you can see for the particular chemistry and biology, each subject you can see. So that's in-depth analysis of any test helps student a lot to get which sort of question or which chapter takes more time. So by the end of all the chapters and completion, student can analyze it thoroughly to get a very good idea of how to manage time in exam. Then there's a recycle bin. So all the deleted or students and papers that comes in recycle bin, you can again empty those one. So that's how our two main key features, the one creating your own paper and the online test series, and the third one the result analysis part. So thank you everyone.